A tense incident unfolded in West Godavari district when unidentified miscreants set fire to a brandy shop in Kalgammapudi village of Palakollu Mandal. During midnight hours, the sudden blaze triggered panic among locals who rushed to alert fire services. Firefighters arrived promptly and managed to bring the flames under control. However, by the time the fire was doused, liquor stock, furniture, and other materials inside the shop has been completely gutted. The motive behind the attack remains unclear and police are investigating the case.